Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the 12 best affiliate programs for 2021. Top affiliating program, marketing program. First of all, as an affiliate marketing, you would got one thing on your mind: performance to get the best performance for your affiliate companies. It is worth trying out the few platforms to see what works for you. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or more advanced with some experiences behind you. Here are some great affiliate marketing programs for you to check out. See what kind of offers are available on the most popular platforms to help you achieve your best conversions and even build a steady long-term income. So let's dive in. Affiliates is a top choice of marketers who want to access a whole lot of verticals. This translates a wide variety of products and offers so you can get a choose and focus where you can get the best result. Plus, if accepted on the program, you have access to your very own affiliate marketing manager to help you optimize your traffic and create a unique bonus program to max your earning potential top if off with an easy to use platform. It is a favorite and global affiliate marketers. Elementor is a great product, practically sells itself, and that's what Elementor can offer an affiliate programs. The highly popular website builder for WordPress has already got incredible global transaction, regularly making the top 15 list of WordPress plugins, and with their generous 50% commission per sales extensive affiliate toolkit of supporting logos and banners and dedicated affiliate team ready to assist with the issue. So no wonder that Elementor is incredibly popular among the affiliate community too. DFO Global, if you are looking for a high quality affiliate network to work with, you won't go wrong with DFO Global. You can get access to a wide range of e-commerce products on the closed, safe and brand protected environment with the high covering offer and high payout as the reward. For serious affiliate marketers who want to program that worth investing their time and effort, then DFO Global with top-notch data analytics and responsive manager that you are responsible on the way to go. Amazon Associates for affiliate marketing beginners. Amazon is a great platform to kick off your new venture. The vast Amazon marketplace takes care of the most sales process warming up to your leads for you. Your job is to bring a new client from external traffic source to the Amazon site. There are millions of products you can pitch with the new ones beginning added every day. It's a great way to make money without having yet built up a strong background in the art of affiliate marketing. eBay Partner Network. Here's a great way to tap into the numerous affiliate potential of eBay market. Advertise eBay products on a social media, your blog or website, and get commission from every product sold via your link. Signing up to the eBay Partner Network is a simple, and there is a never ending supply of interesting products to promote, including popular trending and products and daily deal. Share a Sale is one of the largest affiliate network out there, running of the nearly 2 decades. So it's built up a lots of trust in the affiliate industry. The network is well loved by the marketers and merchants because of the user-friendly interface, fast free sign-up, and support for affiliate running to multiple websites. It has a huge variety of merchants to choose from, over 40 categories, including some big names. Giddy Up, if you want to get connected with your truly worthwhile and profit potential brand, then check out Giddy Up. Giddy Up is all about partner marketing, which is the approach to creating performance based on the partnership translation. great result for the brands and for you. They are very totally focused on the quality. You have got to be a super serious affiliate to get accepted and start benefiting. If you fit the bill, we definitely recommend giving it a try. M4 Tricks Network, looking for exclusive deals and offers in less traveled, goes to the network. Look the further than Formatrix. Network is a full service affiliate network that is a global but also takes profitably to place it has not been before, including non-structured market where you can outperform yourself. The network can also boast some impressive behind the scenes touch up to help drive smarter strategies and optimize performance in real time. ClickBank. With 6 million digital products in over 40 categories reaching 200 million people over the wide world, ClickBank is a popular choice among the affiliate marketers. What's more, the program offers very high commissions and high 75. ClickBank is known as for the regular reliable payouts, which is a huge draw code. There are plenty of products sold on a recurring basis, which means a great source of recurring income for you, as well as the product with the upsell option to help boost your income. CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate is a great program of experienced marketers with 300 brands, including many of the world top brands. The perform boost 43% year 1 year growth in commission, so it's an attractive option. However, you need a good amount of traffic to get accepted, and there are strict conditions for studying on as a publisher. The sophisticated toolbox may take some getting used to, but has great features for more advanced affiliate marketers. Partner Stock is an affiliate program focusing on promotions of software products and tools, including many well-known and popular software. The company claims that 30% of the software sold actually comes through the channel partner. So if your audience has a particular software interest, there's a great potential for you here. Partner Stock is being into building partnerships between affiliate marketers and product owners, so you will benefit from pinpointed analytics and high growth potential. So this is the last steps in affiliate marketing programs. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज़.